Would you believe the secret to staying rich is living like you're broke? It's true, many millionaires, and even celebrities like Warren Buffett, Keanu Reeves, Marshawn Lynch, Lenny Kravitz, and Jennifer Lawrence, are shockingly frugal. They follow a simple playbook that keeps their wealth growing while avoiding wasteful spending. Want to know their secrets? Stick around, you'll never look at wealth the same way again. Here's the thing, being rich doesn't always mean living lavishly. In fact, many wealthy individuals stay rich because they don't spend like they're rich. They avoid lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as income grows, and instead focus on building sustainable wealth. Take Warren Buffett, for example. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He's famously frugal, preferring simple meals and avoiding unnecessary luxuries. Why? Because he knows that every dollar saved is a dollar that can grow through compounding investments. But it's not just Buffett. Keanu Reeves, known for his blockbuster movies, often rides the subway and lives a modest lifestyle. Jennifer Lawrence, one of Hollywood's highest-paid actresses, shops at discount stores and avoids splurging on designer items. These celebrities understand that wealth isn't about showing off, it's about preserving and growing what you have. In his groundbreaking book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that financial success isn't just about income or intelligence, it's about behavior and habits. Housel emphasizes the importance of living below your means, avoiding unnecessary risks, and finding balance. These principles are at the core of the Millionaires' Frugal Playbook. Housel reminds us that true wealth isn't about flashy cars or designer clothes, it's about the money you don't spend. It's about the freedom and security that come from living frugally and investing wisely. One of the key takeaways from the book is the idea that wealth is what you don't see. It's the savings, the investments, and the financial cushion that allow you to weather life's uncertainties. By adopting a frugal mindset, you can build this invisible wealth and create a life of abundance without the need for extravagance. Frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about making intentional choices. By adopting a poor man's mindset, you can avoid lifestyle inflation and free up money for compounding investments. This is how the wealthy stay wealthy. They invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that increase in value over time or generate income, like real estate, stocks, or a business. Liabilities, on the other hand, are expenses that lose value or cost money to maintain, like luxury cars or designer clothes. The key is to prioritize spending on assets that align with your long-term goals. For example, buying a rental property is an asset because it appreciates in value and generates passive income. But buying a brand new car? That's a liability. Its value depreciates the moment you drive it off the lot. The wealthy understand this distinction and make choices that prioritize long-term growth over short-term gratification. They know that every dollar spent on a liability is a dollar that could have been invested in an asset. So, how can you apply these millionaire habits to your own life? Here are 3 actionable tips to get started. 1. Automate savings before spending. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts before you spend on anything else. This ensures you're consistently building wealth. 2. Set long-term financial goals. Define your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or starting a business. Use frugality as a tool to meet those goals faster. 3. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Focus on acquiring assets that grow in value or generate income. Avoid unnecessary luxuries that drain your resources. For example, instead of buying the latest smartphone or designer handbag, consider investing that money in a low-cost index fund or a side business. Over time, these small decisions can add up to significant wealth. Living like you're broke doesn't mean sacrificing happiness, it means prioritizing freedom and security. By adopting the Millionaires' Frugal Playbook, you can build sustainable wealth and create a life of abundance. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep and grow. So, what's your first step going to be? Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time.